Hello, I'm Vishnupriya. I have completed my MCom this year. I'm going to take a small portion from income tax. I'm going to cover three topics, that is tax evasion, tax avoidance and tax planning. First of all, we'll discuss what is tax evasion. Evasion, that term we all have heard that term in our daily life. We come across to many news that some celebrities who evaded the tax has been caught when they are raided in the buildings. So what is tax evasion? Tax evasion is an illegal act. It is against the public policy. It is against the immoral policy, because here what an individual does is he undiscloses his income, or he know that he have such and such income, but he is deliberately not disclosing the real income. Okay, for example, we can tell that Binami transactions, then claiming excess claiming of falsely he is claiming some income, like personal expenses like drawings, personal car expense. All these are claimed as business expenses. Then unrecorded sales, all these are tax evasion, and he is withholding the real income without disclosing it. That is what is called tax evasion. And the after effect of tax evasion is, once the income tax authorities has caught you for the evasion of tax, then they will charge a high rate of penalty and fine, and sometimes you may get imprisonment, prosecution, etc. So that's what is called tax evasion. So simply, it is illegal act. There is no validity for such things, and you cannot go for an appeal or something like that. So you cannot move for a case, because it's illegal. That's what is tax evasion. Next topic is tax avoidance. All of we think that tax evasion and tax avoidance, even though it is two terms, we sometimes get confused of these two terms. But actually, tax avoidance is very different from tax evasion. Like tax evasion is totally illegal, but tax avoidance is not illegal, even though it is legal, but we cannot tell that it is illegal, because it is an art of dodging the tax by taking some advantage of loopholes in the laws. That is, we can tell that the common man, they try to reduce their tax liability. So to prevent or reduce the tax liability, they take advantage of certain loopholes in the law. That is tax avoidance, but it is illegal, not tax evasion. It is different from that. That is tax avoidance. Then next topic is tax planning. Tax planning means income tax authority or income tax law itself provides certain deductions and exemption to the common individual, and that deductions are, for example, 80Z to 80U are the deduction which a common individual can claim in their income. So for example, 80C deduction means contribution to PF, then LIC premium, all this, it's on 80C deduction, like I have told. Then there is 80D deduction like Mediclaim. All this comes under deductions, and exemptions is under section 10. That is interest of post office savings bank, dividend from Indian company, all this is exempted income. So a common individual can claim the deductions and exemptions from their income. It is provided by the income tax law so that everyone can take the full advantage of such deductions and exemption without violating the law. So that is what is known as tax planning. Thank you.